This is how I typically submit a bulletin for printing. When I'm finished with a bulletin, I'll make sure to first save it in Publisher, and then I will go to File, Export, Create PDF. This will ask me what to save it as. I'm going to save it as the same file name as the Publisher document and hit Publish. Oftentimes it will open a preview of your PDF automatically. I've already closed that. I want to go to the folders and open the PDF separately. And the reason I do this is because the publishing and the printer is very specific to using Adobe. So I'm going to open this in the Adobe Acrobat Reader. I can take a quick look at my pages. This will show you exactly what the pages will print like. So I can scroll through and make sure everything's lined up, looks good. When I'm ready to print, I can use this printer button and choose the printer LPI Express and hit print. And this is just going to upload it to the LPI website. I could also start from the LPI website and upload it that way. Either way works just fine. Here is where I'm going to sign in with my email and password. Once I've logged in, it's going to have my document ready to go. It'll be in the next step for submission. And you can even preview the file name in this corner that we're looking at, the bulletin for August 14, 22. So publication date, I'm going to choose the date on the calendar that matches the date of the bulletin, August 14. Quantity goes here. This is a special edition. I'm going to change the quantity and hit next. It's going to take a moment to load and then ask me to preview the publication. So it says everything is ready to go. There's been no errors. So hit preview your PDF file. It should open the same file that we just looked at earlier. I'm just going to take a quick look, make sure there's no major gaps before hitting publish. Everything looks great. Close this. I have checked the preview, means that, and I'll check off this box, and I will hit submit. Now this is sending the file to LPI, which they will publish it for us. And you get this congratulations when it is finished.